This Silverado seats the whole family with room to spare. This 4-doors crew cab makes it easy to look good with its beautiful and sleek body lines. Vortec 4.8L58 SFI, 4-speed automatic with overdrive, 6-speaker audio system feature, body-colored body side moldings, chrome grille surround, driver side manual lumbar control seat adjuster, electronic cruise control W-set and resume speed, heated power adjustable black outside mirrors, LS equipment group, power door locks W remote keyless entry, power windows W driver express down, solar ray deep tinted glass, and StabiliTrak stability control system. Confused about which vehicle to buy? Well, look no further than this dependable 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck is nicely equipped with features such as 4-doors crew cab, Vortec 4.8L,